Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026 and telling you the top 15 articles that must be read for UPSC Prelims 2026 aspirants. These articles are strictly selected based on prelims probability from polity, economy, geography, international relations, science, environment and current affairs. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026, don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the highest priority articles for UPSC prelims. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article was retail inflation inches up to 3.4% in March. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. Prelims focus, CPI, WPI, NSO, inflation trends, RBI target inflation. Very important because inflation and monetary policy are frequently asked. Next article was IMD's April forecast projects monsoon to be below normal for first time in 11 years. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. Prelims focus, IMD, LPA, El Niño, La Nina, Indian monsoon mechanism. Very important because monsoon questions are highly probable. Next article was India about to make greatest decision of 21st century, PM. You can read it from page number 12. Prelims focus, Women Reservation Act, 106th Constitutional Amendment, Reservation Provisions. Very important polity topic. Next article was Delimitation will not affect southern states, says Goyal. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 13. Prelims focus, Delimitation Commission, Census Linkage, Lok Sabha seat allocation. Very important constitutional topic. Next article was SC Raps Ek on Sir discrepancies, says voting is a sentimental right. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 9. Prelims focus, Election Commission, Article 324, Electoral Rolls, Constitutional Bodies. Very important for polity. Next article was State Census Offices told to monitor online narratives. You can read it from page number 14. Prelims focus, Registrar General of India, Census Authority, Census 2027. Important governance topic. Next article was SC seeks centre's response to plea on proper MSP for crops. You can read it from page number 14. Prelims focus, MSP crops, CACP, procurement policy. Very important agriculture topic. Next article was US military blockades Iran ports, Tehran threatens ports in region. You can read it from page number 16. Prelims focus, Strait of Hormuz, Persian Gulf, Iran map location, oil routes. Very important map-based topic. Next article was Russia offers to take in enriched uranium from Iran, says Peskov. You can read it from page number 16. Prelims focus, Uranium enrichment, IAEA, JCPOA, nuclear diplomacy. Important international topic. Next article was Orban loses Hungary vote to newcomer Peter Magyar. You can read it from page number 16. Prelims focus, Hungary, Budapest, European Union members. Important country capital topic. Next article was Artemis II draws flood of conspiracy theories. You can read it from page number 20. Prelims focus, NASA Artemis program, moon mission, crewed lunar missions. Very important science current affairs topic. Next article was Physics has not figured out why matter comes in flavors. You can read it from page number 20. Prelims focus, quarks, leptons, neutrinos, standard model. Important basic science topic. Next article was parched again. You can read it from page number 8. Prelims focus, aquifers, groundwater recharge, urban water management. Very important environment topic. Next article was World Bank chief cautions on jobs crisis even after war ends. You can read it from page number 15. Prelims focus, World Bank headquarters, president, reports, global institutions. Important economy topic. Last article was after a near perfect week at Badminton Asia Championships, Ayush hopes to take the next big step. You can read it from page number 18. Prelims focus, Ayush Shetty, Badminton Asia Championships, Sports Current Affairs. Important for one-liner questions. What to skip today? Skip routine political statements, blame games, speeches, local crime news and non-exam articles. Focus only on factual, conceptual and map-based topics. Quick revision keywords. CPI, monsoon, women reservation, delimitation, Article 324, census, MSP, Hormuz Strait, IAEA, Hungary, Artemis II, quarks, groundwater, World Bank, Ayush Shetty. If you want daily the Hindu UPSC filtering, subscribe now to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Study smart, not hard. जय हिंद।